Welcome to my channel, Making Money with Brad Austin. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make money with freelance digital marketing. If you watch this video through to the end, not only am I going to show you my process, but I am also going to show you how to use some free traffic sources to get your business up and running. So before we begin, make sure you click that subscribe button and set your notifications, because I have a lot more videos coming about making money online and you won't want to miss them. So you have to know where to go to actually find the products that you want to digitally market it for. So here are three popular ones. They're by no means the only ones, and they're not the there are more than these ones. But just to go over them really quickly, 𝗣𝗟𝗃𝗃 is one that is very popular because it is accepted worldwide, which means that if you're living outside of the United States, you can get to this anywhere in the world. These two are more central to the United States. However, if you use a VPN tunnel, you can get into these, so they're not completely inaccessible to you. But for today's sake, we are going to go over 𝗣𝗟𝗃𝗃 and the sign-up process for that, because that's probably going to be the one that most of you use. First thing you're going to do is we're going to go to 𝗣𝗟𝗃𝗃.com. and you are going to select Start for Free. Right? You're going to fill in your information here. Okay, as soon as you finish registering, you're going to get an email in your inbox. Go ahead and click up Finish Registration, and then that will take you back to the web page and you can log back in. Once you click on the verification email and you log back into your account, you're going to come to this dashboard, and the first thing you're going to need to do is tell them how you want to get paid. There are multiple different ways here. There's Stripe and BlueSnap and 𝗃𝗏𝗃, 𝗃𝗵𝗀𝗃, PayPal, Authorized.net. So you can set up an account with any one of these, whatever you feel personally comfortable with. I personally use PayPal, and Stripe is a good one too. So just pick whatever you want to do, click sign up or configure, and then we can get on to the next step. Okay, after you finish verifying your email and log back into your account, you're going to find yourself here on your dashboard. So if you want to go find products to sell, you're going to click under affiliates and then find products. And here you're going to see a whole slew of stuff that's available for sale. I mean, right now you're looking at, they have like over 10,000 different products to sell in different niches. So if you're selling in a very specific niche, you can select a category here and search there, and you can, like for example, a good one is cooking, right? And if you go to, you can, some have subcategories, some don't, or if you want a very specific type of thing in that category, you can search that. All right, so that was probably a little too specific. All right, so we're just doing cooking food. So here is all the ones that have to do with cooking. So here's 70 best recipes for health and weight loss. I mean, the weight loss industry is huge when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? Which is also why I picked this. Low carb holidays, all kinds of stuff. If you see that there's a funnel icon here, if you click on it, that means that there are multiple items for sale within this particular thing, and you should be using a funnel to promote these products. I will go over funnels in another video, but they are just as important to this process. These numbers across here tell you on average how many have been sold, right? The conversion rate, the higher the better. The per click rate, the average price that this product is selling, and what the commission is, and the refund. So this right here like 50% commission is great. This has a very low refund, so that's good. If you come across, I mean, 8% is still low, but if you get up here like this one right here, this one here has a 57% refund rate, so you probably wouldn't want to pick that. And there's also not a lot of other data, so their product probably isn't really good. So you do need to look at the stats before you just go and pick something. But basically, whatever it is you want to pick, just click request approval. The approval will come into your email, and then once that approval comes in under approved products, which we don't have yet because we haven't done anything here, but it will show your affiliate link here. And when you grab that affiliate link, and that is where we're going to go on to the next step on how to get your affiliate link out there. Okay, so now you've signed up, and now where are you going to promote your link? So there are a couple ways to do this. The first one is a website called Linktree, which we can go there to basically sign up. So you go to Linktree, go ahead and sign up free for here, and then you will be able to claim your free Linktree name. So if you own a business, then you would probably like do your business here. So for instance, for me, it would be Make Money with Brad. So let's see if that's available. Okay, so apparently that is good. So we are going to, once you're in, basically come up with your business name. So for me, it's capital there. Okay, select a category. I'm just going to do business. I mean, you can pick whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Just do the free to start with. I mean, later on, if these, you know, float your boat in what you want to do, but basically you don't need to pay for those. You just go ahead and start with free. Continue to your link tree. Now this is where you would post your affiliate link. So you would add a new link. You would give it a title, select here. So let's say we were doing the keto recipes there, and then the URL is this right here is your affiliate link that you would paste in. So verify my email for Linktree. I've already done that. So once you get your affiliate links, these people, when you request that, they are going to email it to you into your account. Once you have that affiliate link, then you will paste it right here into this URL, and then click save, and you can notify subscribers, whatever, and then that's going to create a tree. So here I went ahead and created one for one of my affiliate programs I'm running, which is Legendary Marketer. I went ahead and put in my thing for there, and that's good. So you can add other things to your link tree if you want to. But basically this over here on this side shows you what it looks like. You can create a setup and put a picture, do all of that, and you can customize this tree in any way. If you click the appearance tab up here, it'll show you what it will look like. So here's what the profile would look like, and you can have a bio and all of that. You can create or you can set up your template. This is where you do that at. And then if you want to see what it actually looks like, this is what it looks like right now. It's pretty dull, but you can go in and jazz it up here. So if you upgrade, you do have access to some more colorful ones, but you know, there are ones here that are free that you can pick, you know, to make it look nice. I sort of like that one. You can, if you like dark or if you like light. So you know, you can customize this however you like. So there's plenty of free ones here. So we'll just stick with that one to start with, and then you can pick an image. You can set up your settings and your analytics for all of that stuff, but will come in later videos. But now, if I go here, once again, it has changed that. And, people can click on the link. So if you're promoting several affiliate programs, this is where you would go to list all of these out. So, and then you would drive traffic to this link tree and then put it here. Another methodology for doing this is using websites. So I'm going to go ahead and close these out. If you are really good at web design and want to make it an actual website, one of the things that I use for my websites, just because it's easy, is I use ClickFunnels, and I will leave a link in the description for this one. But I actually have just a website that I use in here, and this is what it looks like. So, and then I have like all of my affiliate links here. You can kind of lay it out a little bit better, and promote the products that you're selling here with pictures, right? It's more web designy, and you can actually tie it to a URL, which makes you look more professional. So that's the other way of doing it. So you have multiple options, but either way, you want to drive your traffic to either a web page or your link tree. So how do you promote these? I said if you stayed to the end of the video, I would show you how to market your stuff. So the best way to market your stuff without paying for ads or any of that stuff is using social media. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to TikTok, and then you want to create a niche account, which means that you want to tie it to an email and everything. But a niche account just basically means that you are going to be making videos that don't show your face. You don't have to, but you can absolutely do it if you want to. There are plenty of people out there that love showing their face, that love talking to their audience, and there's a lot to be said about that. But if you're one of those camera shy people that don't want to, you can absolutely just make videos, have your little logo, make videos, and your point is to gather followers, right? And likes. And once you do that, then you can put your link up here in the bio, and then people can actually click on that. And then when they click on that, it's going to drive you to either your Linktree page or your web page, and then that's where they're going to click your affiliate link to go buy the product. And that is when you get your commission. So you want to put your affiliate links wherever you can. And TikTok is just one medium. You can use Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, YouTube. It doesn't matter, whatever it is. But the most important thing is you need to get out there and you need to make your content and at least post 2 to 3 times a day until it all gets up and running. And then once you do that, then that's when people will come. That's when they'll start clicking your link, and that's when you start getting paid. So that's the end of my video. I hope that you guys really liked it and see how easy it is to make money online just pushing other people's products. There are tons of affiliate programs out there. It's not just on those websites. If you want to promote something big, Amazon, Walmart, Target, a lot of places have affiliate programs. You just got to scroll down to the very bottom of their website, find their affiliate link, click it, and sign up. It's that simple. And then start making videos and putting it on social media. So thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope that you liked it. If you did, please subscribe and notify, because I have a lot more videos coming about how to make money online.